Hey guys, we're coming to you from the last day of the SEMA Show in Las Vegas 2022. My name is Bob Stevenson from CELETTE, and take you through our booth real quick. So here we've got our CELETTE Museum starting in 1953 with our standard type jigs. Then we've modified to the integral system, adding the universal cross member to our line, and then we downsized again to reduce the weight to the MZ system when we developed the blue towers. And then the next step was to include the jig without having the piston welded, and it was the introduction of the MZ piston in 2007. And one of the latest developments was the Chameleon universal jig system, and that's what we have on the passenger side or the right side of this 2022 electric Hummer. And then our latest development is now on-demand 3D printed carbon fiber jigs. Very lightweight and still just as strong as steel at a fraction of the weight. For each set is about 40 pounds. Here's our Chameleon box, universal jig system. All foam cut draws for every piece. Let's take a look around the side of the vehicle and take a look at these carbon fiber jigs in action. The whole side is sitting on carbon fiber jigs, and this is a 9,000 pound vehicle, 2022 Hummer, as I said before, electric. And we'll take a walk down the car and get a better look. We also brought our heavy-duty truck repair system we call the MAMOUTH. We've shipped our first 2 systems out in North America just recently. New construction sites, so we'll be seeing those come up later this year. Another new product for CELETTE is our BatPro. Not only can it raise and lower the electric batteries, but it can also lower cradles and engines off the lift as well. Right now this is the highest capacity lift for EV vehicles, batteries that we've seen at the show. 5,500 pounds is its lift capacity. Now we'll come over here. Fully adjustable table. 100 millimeter drilling for the top to accept jigs. Our guys are getting set up with the Eagle here. Newest laser measuring system, lightweight and compact system. Another new product this year for CELETTE is our Magno carts. We've got 3 different style tool carts to hold our equipment, each one with a unique magnet overlay. 2-sided for other accessories as well. Let's take a look at our chassis clamps for Chameleon. First time we're showing in the US our newest Chameleon set, and this is to add full frame chassis to your existing Chameleon universal jig system. We'll also mention CELETTE has received its US patent for Chameleon.
That's to be what like we used before. You can do
Another feature on our booth is our XTRAC high lift pulling platform, 8,800 pound capacity, 10-ton pull ram, and we've got it set up with our high measuring clamps and NAJA measuring system. So that's our booth for 2022. We thank you for coming and visiting with us at Las Vegas. Look forward to seeing you soon.